name is Priyal. I am from Orissa, Balasore. Right now, I am housemaker and I completed my MCA back in 2016. After a break, I want to rejoin or I want to enhance my career with digital marketing because this is a very good platform to enhance my skills. I joined Digital Vidya because it provides live sessions throughout the live session, and the mentors and your coordinators are amazing. I want to join this session because they provide all the online sessions because I can't attend offline session. Mentors and coordinators are awesome. They always ready to help. Throughout the journey was nice, and I know this digital vidya marketing helped me to increase my career options.